Hello everyone, my name is Govind and currently I'm working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. I welcome you all to this video, and in this video we are going to talk about the Power BI data flows, or I can say the Fabric data flows. So what are the data flows and what is its importance and how can we create a data flow in Microsoft Fabric? I'm going to tell you about that. So please be with me till the end of this video and you will have a lot to learn. So if I talk about the Power BI data flows, so it is nothing but the cloud-based data preparation service that allows us to ingest the data from multiple locations, and then we can do some kind of transformation. It can be grouped by merge, append, removing duplicates, removing columns, renaming columns, etc. And then after we done with the transformation, we can load the data into the Power BI or any other data destination. It can be lakehouse, it can be warehouse, it can be Azure SQL database. So they are basically act as a central data preparation layer, and which enables us to share the data and reuse that data across multiple Power BI reports and dashboards. So basically what happens that I'll give you one example. Suppose I'm gonna build two reports, and in both the reports I will have the requirement of the sales and products table. Yes, and I want to do some kind of transformation in sales and product table both. Maybe I want to clean some data, or I want to remove some columns from both of the tables, sales and product. So what I will do, I will fetch, or I can say I will ingest I will ingest both the tables in product and sales in one report and also in the second report, and I will do the transformation there as well in the first report and in the second report as well. So this is a repetitive task, and this is what the Power BI data flow solves. So it kept the data at a cloud, and it allows us to transform the data by giving us the capabilities of Power Query Editor. So Power Query Editor is a tool that allows us to clean and transform the data with the help of the interface itself, right? So that whole interface we get in the data flow interface as well, and the similar transformation we can apply there as well. And with one data flow we can connect the data flow across multiple reports and dashboards, and can use that single reusable data flow across multiple reports. So this is what the Power BI data flow is, right? So this is the example, and I'm going to tell you how can we create a Power BI data flow in Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so let us see how can we create a data flow in Microsoft Fabric. So you can see this is the interface of Power BI, or I can say Microsoft Fabric, and we can switch from here if I want to see the Fabric view. So I will do that, and currently I'm in the two workspace that I'm having, which is the Fabric enabled workspace. So I will go to the test 5. So you can see this is the Fabric enabled workspace, and from here I will click on this option which is new item, and I'll get two options here for creating a data flow. So data flow Jan 1 and data flow Jan 2. So the difference between both of two is that in data flow Jan 1 we do not get the option to select the destination for our data, but in data flow Jan 2 we get the option for destination, like we can load the data into the lakehouse, warehouse, or I can say Azure SQL database, etc. So I will click here, I will name it as dataflow 2, and I will click on this option which is create. Let us wait. Okay, so you can see the similar interface that I get in the Power Query Editor, where I can transform it, column, view, help, and some options. The similar interface of Power Query Editor, and I will click here and I will import some data, maybe from our local machine. So let us import this table which is Steels HubSpot. So it is getting uploaded. Let us wait. Okay, so you can see it has established the connection. I will click on next, and now I will click on this Steels tables to preview the data. Okay, right, and I will here click on this option create. So it will load the data into this particular interface, or I can say the data flow, right? So let us wait to load the data. Okay, so you can see that the data has been loaded, and currently we are having 165 column and 99 plus rows, right? So let's do some transformation over here. So what I will do, I will choose only some specific columns. So I will go here and I will click on choose columns. Let's choose amount and close date, maybe deal name, deal stage, and let's select ID as well, line item result ID. Okay, so this many column I only want, so I can click OK. So you can see that from the source I'm having the data with the multiple columns, but I have done the transformation, right? I have removed some column and chooses the specific column because this is what I need for my analysis. So yes, this is all. I have choose the column. I can also add the renaming step. I am renaming the columns here. Let's rename two columns for now. So now we can see that I have first imported the data from the Excel workbook, and then I have done two transformation. I have choose the specific column and I have renamed the columns as well. And after that, like we do the transformation, and then we can publish the data. We can also load this particular data into some destination. So for that, uh, we have to click here in the bottom right corner. You can see the data destination option, and from here we can load this particular data flow in lakehouse, warehouse, and some more other options we are getting. So we can load the data here, and for now I am not loading any data into the data destination. I am publishing. So I can even publish now and publish later, and here you can see the option for publishing, and from here you can publish your data flow. I can either publish now and publish later. I'm publishing it now. Okay, so you can see the data flow 2 has been generated, and this is how you can create the data flow in Power BI, or I can say Fabric. So yes, this is all about this video, and if you like this video, so please like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe to Addend Analytics for more insights. Thank you.